See, it's cute. It's cute. That's cute. It's okay.
Hello, it's almost 3 p.m. and I would like to get driving to make it to the Rainforest Skywalk near Warburton. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go. Well, I gotta say it's pretty magical up here. The walk upstairs is enough to keep you warm. It's probably about 2 degrees and we're in layers of cloud just floating by. Let's have a quick look at the scenery. We just did the tower. My hands are super cold, like they've gone all pink. So it's just been less than 3 hours and we have driven from Chadstone through to Puffing Billy, through to Warburton, up to Mount Donna Buang. We've done the tower at the end of the daylight. So stop sitting at home, clicking refresh, get out and explore the world.